Why do HVAC repair costs vary so much between companies? HVAC repair costs vary because companies may charge different prices for labor, parts, diagnosis, service plans, overhead, and the difficulty of the repair. One company may send a highly trained technician who uses special testing tools, while another may use a newer worker with less experience. Some companies include the inspection fee in the repair price, but others charge it separately. Parts can also differ because one contractor uses a manufacturer part, while another uses a less expensive replacement part. The same broken component may be easy to reach in one system but buried behind panels or inside a tight attic in another home. Emergency visits, evenings, weekends, and long travel distances can add extra charges. A lesser-known detail is that technicians may not always be repairing the same part, even when they use similar words, because a symptom such as weak airflow can come from a dirty filter, a failing blower motor, a blocked duct, or a damaged control board. Before approving work, ask for the exact diagnosis, the part being replaced, the labor charge, the warranty, and whether removal of the old part is included. Getting 2 or 3 written estimates can help you compare the actual work instead of comparing only the final price. A common mistake is choosing the lowest estimate without checking what it includes, so ask whether diagnosis, materials, permits, cleanup, and follow-up service are covered. Another mistake is assuming a higher price always means better work, so verify licensing, insurance, reviews, and the length of the parts and labor warranty. Be careful when a technician recommends replacing the entire system immediately, because ask for test results and a clear explanation of why repair is not reasonable. Also, do not ignore maintenance, since a clogged filter or dirty outdoor coil can make a small problem seem like a major failure. So replace filters regularly and keep the outdoor unit clear. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.